In the previous video, we introduced GrowDose and used it to create a Hoagland solution recipe with 3 Yara fertilizers. However, we didn't quite achieve the target concentrations we wanted. This was mainly because the selected set of Yara fertilizers wasn't ideal, which was reflected in the root mean square error, or RMSE, a metric that shows how far, overall, we are from our target concentrations. In that attempt, the RMSE was 58.7 milligrams per liter. In today's video, we're going to try and improve our results. To do this, we're adding a new fertilizer from Yara's portfolio, Yara Terra K-Max. Using the Add Fertilizer button in GrowDose, we input the chemical composition of Yara Terra K-Max based on the information provided on its label. Now, with 4 fertilizers in our selection, we recalculate the recipe for 100 liters of water. Here's the updated recipe, showing exactly how much of each fertilizer we need to mix. You can also compare this new recipe with the one we created in the previous video, where we used only 3 fertilizers, to clearly see the improvement. What's exciting is that the actual concentrations of each element are now much closer to the target values. This improvement is clearly reflected in the RMSE, which has dramatically decreased to just 5.8 milligrams per liter. If you have suggestions for different fertilizers you'd like me to try, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to create a recipe based on your selection to see how closely we can match the target concentrations. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.